Air exposure is the single biggest factor that shortens a caulk tube's usable life. So stop air from getting in the moment you pause work. Air reacts with the caulk's curing agents and forms a skin that thickens from the nozzle inward. So always remove as little material as necessary and avoid leaving a long open nozzle. After finishing a bead, wipe the tip clean with a rag or a paper towel so the next seal will have full contact and a smooth flow. For short pauses, use a reusable caulk cap or a purpose-made nozzle stopper that fits snugly. Press it in firmly and twist slightly to seat it. For longer storage, back a screw into the nozzle tip or into the plug at the base of the plunger to create a mechanical seal that reduces air ingress. Wrap the entire nozzle and cap area with 2 layers of premium cloth or plastic tape, stretching slightly as you wrap to eliminate gaps and add redundancy against pinholes. Store the tube standing nozzle up at room temperature away from direct sunlight so any small amount of trapped air rises away from the material you will push next. 3 common mistakes are leaving the nozzle exposed, not cleaning the tip, and storing horizontally or in cold conditions. If the nozzle is left open, people assume it is fine, but the visible skin will continue inward and can render the whole tube unusable. Prevent that by always using a cap or stopper and adding tape. Skipping a tip clean leaves cured fragments that block flow and create uneven beads. Remove cured material and inspect the orifice before sealing for storage. Storing tubes on their side or in very cold places slows curing control and lets trapped air settle toward the gun end, causing sputtering. Keep tubes upright at moderate indoor temperatures and push a small amount of material through after storage to verify smooth flow. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners locate local contractors and for contractors to find work related to projects like caulking and sealing. We also host a discussion community where our users exchange real-world tips on storage methods, product choices, and troubleshooting.